Hello, hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for clicking on this video, and let's just get right into it. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to dig a 12 by 15 foot hole 4 inches deep. Start off with that. I didn't record that, unfortunately, so I don't have footage of that. Alright, next you're going to want to get your bluestone or recycled concrete, and we got about 3 tons of that. This is bluestone. You're going to want to rake that out until it's about as flat as possible. Next, you're going to tamper the rocks down. We went ahead and tampered one time, and then we thought that it was a little unleveled, so we went ahead and raked it and then tampered it again. But this is the first tampering. Also keep in mind, you want to keep a mound in the middle of the green so that water doesn't naturally fall to the middle, and also golf balls doesn't fall to the middle. Now, as we were going along, we were using levels to get the desired bumps and hills that we wanted, and this is a preference thing, completely up to you how you want your green to look. Whacker footage. Yeah, I really like using this thing. I really look forward to having another job where I can use a whacker. More whacker footage. Now, I don't have any footage of me actually using it, but I did use it. And basically you just want to go around it a few times. We went over it around 3 times, to make sure it was nice and smooth and flat all around. And yeah, fun to use. These ants were freaking out. They're all like, what? Alright, so next we used 2 bags of stone dust. We just basically spread it out, and then we're just sweeping it so that it's flat. Alright, then make sure you smoke a cigarette for this next time you hit it with the tamper. Now I know what you all are thinking. When's he gonna show some slow-mo footage of that whacker? Well, here you go. Alright, next just sweep and just get all the excess rocks and debris. Alright, so we bought a 6-foot by 30-foot mat. We had to cut it in half, so we had two roughly 15-foot pieces. We had to join those together with turf joining tape. Using the turf joining tape underneath the two mats, you join them together with the very sticky part and make sure the seam is as close together as possible. You just don't make sure you don't want to see the line. You just do the best you can. Alright, next you're going to want to cut a circle for the putting green hole. I used the putting green hole itself to make an indent to give me the exact shape I needed. And then I just cut it out with a razor blade. And then you're going to want to dig that out. I took a little hand shovel to dig out the rocks. And you're going to go a little further than the rock that we did. We did about 4 inches of base rock. And you're going to want to go a little deeper than that. We also used a pipe with a crowbar in the back there that you can see what I'm going to use in a second. Basically, you take a pipe that's the same size as the hole, you sand one end so that it's sharp, you drill a hole in the other end so that you can put some kind of lever into that end, and then you use that to drill your hole. You just shimmy it down in there and it just picks up a nice chunk of dirt. And then that'll make your perfect hole for you. And place your cup in there, make sure it's flat. Go over it with the tamper. After you get all your holes in there, go ahead and brush up all the excess rocks that got on the green. Alright, next you're just going to want to lay down some sand evenly all over the green. This basically helps weigh it down and gives the ball more play. You want a nice even layer of sand spread across all your whole green. Alright, after you got all your sand in, you just brush it in and it's just going to disappear. You just brush it in both ways and it just sinks into the holes. Alright, and you got yourself a new putting green that you can chip on and putt on. Oh, you suck. Here's how a pro does it. Doesn't phase her at all. Babies or dogs in the way. Just keeps going. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. I hope you have a great day. And make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. Peace.